Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh. In this video, we are going to deploy React web application to Amazon AWS EC2. We will create Ubuntu EC2 instance in AWS. Then we will install Nginx Web Server. When our web server is ready, we will build and deploy a React app to Nginx Web Server. Let's see the demo. As you can see, already I'm logged into AWS console. So first we will create an EC2, Ubuntu EC2 instance. So let's already here in recent visited, I have EC2. So I'll just click on it. You can search on search bar as well. Uh, so launch instance and name and tag. I can give anything. Just give it my server. And here I'll select the type as Ubuntu, and I'm keeping this uh, default image. And next important thing is key pair. So without key pair, will not be able to connect with this uh, Ubuntu EC2. So choosing key pair type is RSA and private key format .pemp, and it will be downloaded in by default it will be downloaded in downloads folder, and wherever you want to save if in some other location you can do that as well. So create key pair. I'm saving it in downloads. So and next thing what I'll do is I'll allow HTTP traffic from internet, because we want to create this uh, Nginx web server and deploy our React app into that. So we should be able to browse it from the internet. Rest everything I'll keep it by default, and launch instance. It will be done in few seconds. So as you can see, it's done. So I'll click on it, and here we have connect, and we click on connect. Here I got this option, uh, HSS client. So what I'll do is from command prompt, I'll use this command to connect with this machine. Now you can see my command prompt is open, and I had opened it on the same location where the key pair was I had saved. So let me hit enter, and it asks for and as you can see, it is connected. So first thing what uh, I need to do is update this instance. So already I had written all the commands so that I could not type it and waste time. So so once this update is completed, we'll install Node.js on this machine. So now you can see update is done. Next is we'll install Node.js on this machine. So now you can see Node.js is also installed. So let's install Nginx Web Server. So sudo apt install Nginx. Dash y I give just to whatever questions is asked. By default answer with S. As you can see, Nginx is also installed. So let's go to browser and try if we are able to browse through Nginx. So as you can see, already I had copied the public domain which AWS give default. So let me refresh it. So as you can see, welcome to Nginx. So it means Nginx is installed properly. So next steps are we have to get our uh, React code in this machine and uh, connect with this Nginx server so that we can browse our application on the Nginx server. So for that, let's open console again. And now first thing what we need to do is we need to install Git. So let me get the command and so install Git. Git is installed. So now we'll clone the repo. Now the repo is cloned. Then we need to go to this folder, TechWord. So here now once we are in this folder, we need to do npm install. So as you can see, npm install is completed. So npm run build to create the build, and this build will be on the build folder. So yeah, it's starting to build. So build is done. If you ls here, uh, you can now see we have this build folder, so which will contain all the build files. So now the next step is removing the Nginx config, the default config, and create our own config. So let's copy the next commands. So this is to remove the default config, and let's create our own config to serve our application from Nginx. So I had created this, and in this file we need to paste this content, which will basically tell like what the server name and what the root folder and location. Very simple file. So set and save, and once that is done, we need to enable this site. It is enabled. Now we need to let's run the command to test Nginx. It says text is successful, and we have the command for restarting Nginx. Actually, these are optional commands. Even if we don't do, it will not make any difference, but I'm doing it. Uh, but we have to make some of the permissions so that server is able to access the build folder. So below commands are for that. So I'm just running it. You can see chmod 755 home, and then the Ubuntu folder, and to the folder where we have this application. So I hope with this everything works. If it doesn't work, let's refresh this page. It should, as you can see, welcome to Tech Word with Mukesh. So with this, the demo is complete. Please do comment what you have liked and what you haven't liked. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe. Thank you.